Starting a business is exciting, but keeping your finances under control, that's where it gets a little bit more complicated. Choosing accounting software now can save you hours of hassle later, and that's exactly where we're here to help. Welcome to Burton's Academy. This is part one of our accounting software deep dive series, where I break down the pros and quirks and features of leading platforms like Xero, QuickBooks, and FreeAgent. Subscribe so you don't miss the comparisons and walkthroughs coming next. Let's start with Xero, a cloud-based accounting tool that's particularly popular with sole traders, startups, and growing businesses. It's designed to simplify the everyday, from invoicing and expenses to tax submissions and reporting. And with regular updates, Xero continues to improve how small businesses manage their money. Core features. With Xero, you can link your bank accounts and pull in transactions automatically, raise invoices and log expenses all in one place, run reports that help you understand how your business is doing, stay compliant with Making Tax Digital by submitting VAT and tax returns through HMRC integrated softwares. Whether you're new to accounting or just want to make things easier, this kind of automation reduces stress and helps you stay in control. Xero suits businesses of almost any size. So whether you're just starting out or managing multiple income streams, it can scale with you. It's simple to use, but still powerful enough for growing businesses, giving you space to focus on what matters. Xero is just one option, and in future videos, I'll compare it to QuickBooks and FreeAgent to help you find the best fit for your business. If this video was helpful, give it a like and leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more practical, jargon-free accounting tips. Next up, QuickBooks versus Xero.